Welcome to TunesKit. In today's video, we'll show you how to factory reset an iPad without a passcode. Now, if you go to Settings and tap Erase iPad, you'll see that it requires your Apple ID password to continue. But what if you don't remember the password? Let's try these three methods. Method 1. Reset iPad without passcodes by iTunes. If you have ever logged into iTunes, you may still have account history on your computer. You will need to click on the Summary option that lies on the left menu. Then click on the Restore iPad option. A reminder that the system is being downloaded will appear in the upper left corner. This is preparing your iPad to update the system and erase the original system. Method 2. Reset iPad without passcode by iCloud. Find the Find My iPhone feature on the iCloud website where you have already logged in. If you purchased a second-hand phone, please contact the previous owner and ask them to follow the steps below to remove the account. Click the All Devices option and select the iPad. Click Erase iPad option to reset iPad data. Method 3. Use TunesKit iPhone Unlocker. If you can't remember your Apple ID password, you can try using TunesKit iPhone Unlocker. Step 1. Connect the iPad to the computer. Then, choose Unlock Apple ID and click the Start button to proceed to the next step. Step 2. Confirm the device information is correct. This method is compatible with devices running up to iOS 18. Download the firmware package by clicking Download. Asterisk the firmware package is required for the unlocking process and is safe to use. It will not pose any security risks to your phone or computer. While downloading, do not disconnect your iPad from the computer. Once the firmware is downloaded, TunesKit iPhone Unlocker will begin unlocking your iPad. If an error occurs during the process, disconnect your device, check whether the firmware package was installed correctly, and repeat the steps. This process will not take too much time. When your iPad is unlocked, all the data and content on your iPad will be erased. If you have any questions, please contact us in the support center. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more helpful tutorials.